Celebrities. They dress like famous people on Halloween just like us. But who had the most spot-on costume? You know, it's just Halloween Showdown time. I'm your host, Chelsea Briggs, coming to you from Hollywood, and this is the Hollywire Hot Minute. Miley channeled her best Nicki Minaj for Halloween, and let me tell you, it was amazing. Complete with a neon yellow wig, watermelon pink lipstick, a leopard print jumpsuit, and a whole lot of attitude, the costume was so flawless, paparazzi probably thought they were photographing the wrong girl. Glee star Matthew Morrison rocked an incredible throwback costume at his own Halloween party, going as old school N Sync-era Justin Timberlake. Now Matt gets bonus points for making it a couple's costume with his girlfriend as a 90s era inspired Britney Spears. And Ms. Emma Roberts paid homage to her famous aunt, Julia Roberts of course, dressing as her iconic role as the hooker with a heart of gold from Pretty Woman. Now the wig, the costume, everything is spot on, and it doesn't hurt that Emma is a dead ringer for her aunt. And she's definitely a shoo-in for the role whenever they remake Pretty Woman, right? Okay, you guys, let's break it down. Who is the best dressed? Miley as Nicki, Matthew as JT, or Emma as Julia? Let me know who gets your vote in the comment section below. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button because it's just what you should do. And like and favorite this video as well. For Hollywire.com, I'm Chelsea Briggs, and I'll see you guys later. Oh my God, I said the word the other day, or last night. I said the word snaztastic, and my friend made fun of me. You're gonna pretend like it's not cool and you're gonna make fun of it, then you're gonna start using it. And you're welcome for making that up. Snaztastic, snaztastic. Do you guys like that word? Are you gonna use it? Do you love it? I'm snazzy and fantastic. It's snazzy, fantastic, fantastic, and snazzy, and you put the two words together and what do you get? Snaztastic.